Hi there, and in this video I will tell you what you need to feed onions with now so that they can grow a large and really juicy bulb this season. I have already fed this onion bed with folk remedies such as an infusion of granulated chicken droppings. It showed good results. The onions began to grow quickly because that nutrition contained nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. And now the onion no longer needs nitrogen, it needs macro and micro elements. And for this I will use potassium humate for feeding because its composition is rich in sulfur, magnesium, zinc, iron, manganese, boron, copper, silicon, molybdenum, and cobalt. It also contains biologically active substances such as amino acids, peptides, and succinic acid, which is a powerful growth stimulant. I will use it according to the instructions. This manufacturer recommends adding 35 milliliters of potassium humate to 10 liters. If you purchase a product from another manufacturer, be sure to read the instructions. Here, the manufacturer indicates that a cap from the bottle is equal to 15 milliliters. So I add 2.5 caps to 10 liters of water. I mix, let it brew for a minute, and then I go to feed the onions. The consumption of such a solution is 10 liters of ready-made top dressing per 2 square meters of the garden bed. But this is if you, like me, simply spilled the garden bed with water in advance so that the soil becomes moist and the top dressing penetrates well into the depth and is absorbed by the plant faster. In general, remember that we carry out all top dressing only on moist soil. They are absorbed faster and better. And if you use mineral fertilizers, then after preliminary watering, they will not harm the plant. And this top dressing, firstly, will increase the resistance of the onion to high temperatures as well as to moisture deficiency. It will not be necessary to water it very often. Secondly, this fertilizer activates the growth and development of the root system and the above ground part of the plant, which will lead to an increase in the bulb. But this is not the last top dressing of the onion. In 2 weeks I will repeat it, with the same means and in the same proportions, and then, a few weeks before harvesting, it will be necessary to carry out another very important top dressing to improve the taste of the onion and its keeping quality. Therefore, be sure to subscribe to my channel and do not miss the release of these videos. I wish you a good day and see you in new videos.